So the first I would like to respect to teacher name is Vanara. My name is Chen Chinui. I'm studying in year 3, semester 1 at Institute of New Khmer. So today I'm come here for presentation about my chapter on chapter 9. Kino and Jonah run away. So now move to next slide. About content, there are 10 points in this content. The first one, summary. Second one, characters. Third, setting for plot. 5 conflict such climate and resolution, a 9 point of view, and the last one moral and mistake. So move to the summary. After Kino finds again Pearl, but people try to steal it. Kino kills a man who tried to steal the pearl. His house is burned and his canoe is destroyed. Kino and Jonah hid in the house of John Thomas, who has them and keeps their secret. People search for Kino, believing he has come to sea. That night, Kino, Jonah, and their baby escape or travel north. Kino kills the pearl, but it fills him with fear and brings more danger instead of happiness. Kino and Jonah have to run away to the mountains to save their lives and their baby culture people. So this one about summary. So move to next slide. About characters, there are have four people important in this part of the story. So the first one, Tino. Tino, the father, who is frail but also obsessed with the pearl. Jonah, the mother, she is strong and knows the pearl is bring bad luck. Tito, their baby, innocent and helpless. And the last one, Drakkars, men who follow Tino to steal the pearl. So in this slide about characters, so move to next slide. About setting, class. The story moves from the beach to the dry, rocky mountains. It is a scary place with no water and lots of animals to hit. So next slide. About plot. Pino kills a man who attacks him. Pino's house is burned and his canoe is destroyed. Pino and Jonah escape from the village. Truckers follow them into the mountains. Tito is shot and killed. Pino and Jonah return and threw away the pearl. About conflict, main conflict, Tino vs the Truckers, people who want the pearl. Inner conflict, Tino struggles between protecting his family and keeping the pearl. And about climate, the most exciting and part happens except part happens at a mountain cave. While Kino is attacking the truckers, one trucker fires a gun. He thinks he is shooting at the baby Toshio, but he actually kills Kino's baby Toshio. Goes to the slide. About resolution after Toshio's death, Kino and Jonah return to village. Kino throws the pearl back into the sea, ending the suffering it caused. And about the sum, great destroys, live well does not bring happiness. Family is more important than money. Evil can come from either and pride. And point of view, third person limit, the story is told by a narrator who mainly follows Kino's thought and action. And the last one, moral, greed can lead to violence and loss. Something that look valuable can bring return. Love and family are more important than rich. Letting go can bring peace. So thank you, teacher. That's all for my chapter and for my point. So thank you very much, teacher.